Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about too many operations on YouTube app, you click on settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.